welcome to the weekly AI Digest by IT Voice, your weekly dose of AI news and trends. I'm your host Avishka Thadani, and today we have got some exciting stories to dive into. So let's get started. First up, NVIDIA has introduced foundation models running on RTX AI PCs which are powered by GeForce RTX 50 series GPUs. Now these GPUs built on the Blackwell architecture deliver unmatched AI performance and feature the FP4 compute for enhanced efficiency. NVIDIA NIM microservices simplify deploying generative AI model on PCs with low-code tools like Anything LLM and comfy UI. Then we have pre-configured AI flows called as AI Blueprint, which cover tasks from content creation to digital units. Upcoming releases include the Llama Neumotron Nano model for tasks like coding and math. NVIDIA has also announced collaboration with top AI developers and compatibility with AI framework like LangChain and Flowise AI. Enthusiasts can explore these advancements through an NVIDIA Chat RTX demo. Now we have Apple has announced plans to refine its AI News Alert feature following the reports of inaccurate summaries on its latest iPhone models. Recent errors included a December alert claiming Luigi Mangione accused of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson's murder, which had committed suicide, and another suggesting tennis champion Rafael Nadal has come out as gay. Both alerts inaccurately featured the BBC logo. Apple stated that these updates aimed at clarifying summaries will roll out soon. Now currently in beta on iPhone 16, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max and selected iPad and Macs, the feature is being improved using user feedback. Apple encouraged users to report similar issues and has not commented further beyond its statement to the BBC. Then we have Microsoft Chairman Satya Nadella has announced a strategic AI and cloud partnership with the Indian government and industry leader, aligning with its $3 billion investment in India's AI infrastructure over 2 years. The company plans to establish new data centers and foster AI innovation across sectors like healthcare, finance and education. Now Microsoft India's president Puneet Chandok highlighted collaboration with RailTel, Apollo Hospital, Mahindra Group and Upgrad to advance its India AI mission and democratize technology. Then a recent IDC study showcases AI usage in India has surged from 63% in 2023 to 72% in 2024, with companies using AI for productivity and business outcome. These partnerships aim to unlock efficiency and drive inclusive growth, positioning India as a global AI leader. Now before we jump back into the mind-blowing world of AI, let me know if you're enjoying this video with a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and stay on top on all tech things. Here's why you should subscribe. IT Voice is your one-stop shop for the latest tech news. We cover everything from pioneering AI advancement to the hottest startup changing the game. We deliver fresh, in-depth content for you to stay ahead of the curve and understand how tech is shaping our digital world. Hit that subscribe button and join the IT Voice community today. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella highlighted India's potential to lead in AI frontier research during the company's India AI Tour. He emphasized the transformative potential of a single mathematical breakthrough in AI and urged India to focus on Indic languages and industry-specific applications. While acknowledging the high cost of foundational AI model development, Satya Nadella has encouraged strategic investment and collaboration to lower barriers. As well as Microsoft has announced partnership with RailTel, Apollo Hospital and Mahindra Group and Bajaj Finance to accelerate AI innovation. It also signed an MOU with India to establish AI productivity labs, furthering digital transformation and inclusive growth in India. An expert panel under the Ministry of Electronics and IT has recommended a whole-of-government approach for AI governance in India. It suggests forming a committee which is led by the principal scientific advisor with representatives from ministries and stakeholders, including developers, deployers, and users. The panel's report also emphasizes sector-specific framework to address industry challenges and calls for creating an AI incident database. MEDI is expected to coordinate this initiative through a technical secretary. Now, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. We would love to hear your thoughts on these developments, so drop a comment, stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you next time on IT Voice.